Hello guys from my street Iacopelli and welcome back to my channel. Today is super excited. Welcome to my new pizzeria studio. This is basically a pizzeria full effective. I want to know from you, just with a little comments, if you want to see more about this build out construction videos, because you deserve to see the everything A to Z. Like you can see here, this is gonna be the restaurant kitchen. I know it doesn't look really like a restaurant because we still like 30 days out. We basically transform this place from scratch A to Z, because I wanted to make everything perfect for making videos, food videos. Like you can see, it's everything completely black. This is gonna be the room where we are going to make a professional food for restaurant videos. See, we still have construction people here, and this is gonna be another set where we are going to do also some drinks, cocktails, professional videos of cocktails for home. So you are going to see so many things in my channel that is coming soon. This is the studio of the future food, and this is gonna be the best part of this pizzeria studio, because this is gonna be the pizzeria. This is gonna be where I'm going to teach everyone. I'm going to teach you through the video. I'm going to teach you in person, because you're going to see so many things. I can't wait to show you. This is so exciting for me. Like you can see here, I'm basically putting my hand into this, and this is why I want to know from you if you want to see more about this, because we're going to make a constructional video for this journey before the 30 days. So I'm gonna make it and editing and post it. So I want to know from you, what do you think about this? This is gonna be, let me explain you a couple of things. This is gonna be where the pizza oven is going to be. There's the counter, and here is gonna be all the lights, professional made. And one more thing, the last thing, here is gonna be the most interesting part besides the pizza station, professional pizzeria. Here, like you can see those brown lines there, this is where it's gonna be the home, 100% home kitchen. So I actually order a home kitchen. This is gonna be the island with the cooking, the table, and behind me the home oven. This way I can show you, I can teach you everything about making food at home. But mainly it's gonna be pizza. But also I'm going to show you more. So this is because we reached over 1.3 million now. I wish I would make this video before, when we completely destroy everything. But this is how, basically, we are like 30 days out. This has been 4 months of work, really hard, but in between I even post videos. But now I'm at the point where I'm really focused 100% in this project. So this is the reason why for about 2-3 weeks I'm not gonna be able to post food videos. But after that, get ready, because so many videos every week is going to come. That's it, I think we are done here. So day one, we're gonna start to make the door. So let me show you how I remodel this door from scratch. And then I repeat, guys, comment below if you wanna see more. This is day one, the doors. Let's go. Okay, let's start this one from scratch. So I'm gonna get a new door here. I made a mistake because we painted and I painted wrong. Guys, I'm a chef. I'm not a construction guy, but I want to show you that if you really want to do something, you can do it. Let's take off the paint. Look at it. Voila. So, voila, take off the paint. now that the doors are ready, sand it down. It's time to put some, I think it's prime, under the paint. So let's go ahead and let's do it. Here we go. It's time to paint. And let's go. Let's use this nice matte black paint. Done. And now let's go ahead with a little test. Yes, I believe it's working fine. Yeah, okay, let's go ahead and let's finish up with the big roll. This is the first end, so I'm gonna go heavy. I love painting black because it's easy and it's fast. And here we go. So it's gonna take so much long time to make this to be finished completely. So I decided for you go and watch the next one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth until we finish up everything. And then at the end, I will post one final video to show you all the details. So now please go ahead, comment below if you wanna see more, if you like this concept. It's just a quick playlist of this huge project. This is my own pizzeria, finally, pizzeria studio, just for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.